Welcome to AI Chronicles, where we explore the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Today we're zooming in on the future of Chat GPT, particularly what 2024 holds for this groundbreaking platform. Sam Altman's recent Twitter thread has stirred up the AI community with hints about new features, improvements, and what to expect next. In this video, we'll dissect these teasers and use supporting evidence to predict the enhancements and changes coming to Chat GPT. We'll delve into Stanford researchers' insights, explore new reasoning benchmarks, and even take a sneak peek into the much-anticipated GPT-5. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into the future of ChatGPT. In 2024, we're set to witness transformative advancements in ChatGPT, driven by an ecosystem where competition and innovation are at their peak. Sam Altman's recent discourse on Twitter has opened the floodgates to speculation and anticipation regarding the future of ChatGPT. Here are the 6 most important points to take note of. Enhanced reasoning abilities. The journey begins with enhanced reasoning abilities. Researchers at Stanford have raised concerns about GPT-4's reasoning capabilities, which, although powerful, show room for improvement. This observation aligns with the experiences of numerous users. The good news is that better reasoning is not just a possibility, but a priority. Videos like GPT-4 is much smarter than you think provide insights into how smart prompting can significantly enhance the AI's performance. Google's Gemini benchmarks further support this, showing that with innovative prompting strategies, we can unlock more advanced reasoning in AI. These developments suggest a future where GPT-4 and its successors like GPT-5 will exhibit far superior reasoning capabilities than we have seen. The dawn of GPT-5. Speaking of GPT-5, there's a palpable excitement around its development. It's rumored to be in training, a response to the competition heating up with Google's Gemini. The filing of the GPT-5 trademark has added to the speculation of its imminent launch. Considering Google's advancements in AI, OpenAI's GPT-5 is not just anticipated, but expected to bring groundbreaking improvements in AI sophistication. Voice interaction with ChatGPT. On the voice interaction front, OpenAI has already laid the groundwork, but the potential for improvement is immense. The expectation is not just for more accurate voice interactions, but also for a more intuitive and seamless experience. Advances in voice recognition APIs like Whispers are set to enhance ChatGPT's ability to interact in a more human-like manner. The focus here is on making ChatGPT more accessible, versatile, and hands-free, offering users the ability to interact in their native languages effortlessly. Addressing challenges, data leakage, and privacy. OpenAI's roadmap also includes tackling broader challenges such as data leakage and privacy. These are crucial for the safe and ethical development of AI technologies. As we move towards more personalized AI experiences, ensuring user data security and privacy becomes paramount. The development of GPT stores and their secure implementation will be a key focus area, especially considering the vulnerabilities and confidentiality issues currently associated with AI models. The rise of open source models. The open source community is rapidly gaining ground in the AI race. While it might seem ambitious for open source models to match the capabilities of GPT-4, the progress made so far cannot be overlooked. This could influence OpenAI's approach towards open source initiatives, possibly leading to more collaborative developments in the AI field. Unpredictable advancements. OpenAI is known for its innovative leaps, and there are likely to be advancements and features that we haven't even imagined yet. Sam Altman's commitment to delivering on user needs while exploring uncharted territories in AI hints at exciting, unforeseen developments. Whether it's new modalities of interaction, more personalized AI experiences, or entirely new capabilities, the AI landscape is set for some groundbreaking changes. In essence, 2024 is shaping up to be a landmark year for ChatGPT and AI. From reasoning enhancements and the potential launch of GPT-5 to advancements in voice interactions and tackling critical challenges like data security, we're on the brink of a new era in AI. The influence of open source models and the unpredictable nature of AI advancements add to the excitement. As we continue to explore and understand these developments, one thing is clear. The future of AI is not just about technological progress. It's about redefining how we interact with machines and ultimately reshaping our world. In conclusion, the year 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal one for Chat GPT and AI as a whole. With improved reasoning, the potential release of GPT-5, advancements in voice interaction, and the growing influence of open-source models, we're on the cusp of witnessing some remarkable changes in the AI landscape.